Automechanika Shanghai is coming. Are you ready for the online show? 2020 is a special year. The life in China is greatly changing because of COVID-19. Thankfully, we are all safe and healthy. Hope you and your loved ones are safe as well. Today, we are going to fly to Shanghai. Before we set off, we prepared mask, alcohol tissue, and hand gel. Also, healthy coat. We will record this journey and share with you. So let's go. Let's find a taxi to the airport. Now we are on the way to airport. You see, I'm wearing a mask and the driver is also wearing a mask. In China, safe tips are wearing masks, washing hands frequently, and staying a safe distance with others. We think it's a kind of responsibility to ourselves and also to others. In next video, we'll go to the trade show and bring you more information. See you later!